in the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.